So hello and welcome to another lecture in free and comprehensive course on AI app development using FlowiseAI by techlatest.net. So far we had covered a lot of things like uh, course overview and objectives, what is the agenda of course, then we had cover understanding the LangChain framework, then we had cover discover the power of FlowiseAI, then we had cover setup and installation of Flowise on AWS, then GCP and then Azure. So uh, in this video we'll talking about building AI apps without coding using FlowiseAI, like what is the intuitive interface and like how you access how it is accessible for all, and what is the rapid prototyping in FlowiseAI. So yep, let's start our lecture and first go to on your Flowise interface. So my Flowise interface is already running, and I am like we'll cover a lot of things in our previous video, like how you started and how you set up Flowise on AWS, GCP, and Azure, and how you started Flowise without any installation and other things. Okay, so you can watch our previous video, and you can also start the Flowise interface. Okay, so today's lecture is all about like we have built our first AI application using Flowise AI. So here you can see about the chat flows, and then you can see about the chat flows and other things about the flow by CI. This is dark and light reduction. This is admin panel. Okay. And after this, you can see the agent flows and marketplace. So we have built our first chat app. Okay. Basically translator app. So it is like without coding. So we'll explore a lot of things here. So first go on marketplace, then here you can find about a lot of things. It will take 1 or 2 minutes to load the uh, options in marketplace. Okay, so here you can see that a lot of things like Flowise Docs, Q&A, then Auto GPT, Cloud LLM, and other things also. Okay, so if you explore something like Flowise Docs Q&A, so here you can see that the lot of things like the you can give GitHub credentials, chat OpenAI, and OpenAI embeddings and other things. Okay, so we have not do this thing. We have covered these things also in our other lectures. Okay, so in this course. So apart from this, we have covered today the translation thing. Basically, I make a translator app. Here, if you click on this, basically translator, so you can find about the. If I scroll this, okay, so you can find about the uh, template. Basically, Flowise is working as a template. If you select anything from marketplace of Flowise, so you can use template from there. Okay, so you can find about the LLM chain, language model, prompt, output parser, input moderation, then connect credentials, GPT model, temperature, and other stuff. Okay, so what we have to do next? Use click on use template, and after clicking on use template, you can also save chat flow, because without saving chat flow, it is not working properly. Okay, so give any name like translator one. Okay, and save it. Okay, so you can see the message that your chat flow is saved now. Now what we have to do, give for because we use chat OpenAI. Okay, so for OpenAI you have to give credentials for API. So if you want to give credentials for API, so what we have to do, go on any browser, then click on new Unito mode, then go on chat OpenAI. So if you go on chat OpenAI now, OpenAI is also free. So if you log in here, okay, give me a minute, I will show you. OpenAI API. Okay, if you find about the OpenAI API, so you can find about the OpenAI API here, and if you sign up with your credentials, then you can create Open API key. So you have to copy that API key, and we have also covered this thing in our Dancer course. If you want to create the OpenAI API key, or if we have all same thing covered in Jupyter course. If you want to create the OpenAI API key, so you can also watch our lectures on like how you create Open API key. So I've already copied my Open API key. So what we have to do, click on create new. Okay, give credentials name. So give credentials name like testing one. Okay, and give open API key. So if you give open API key and click on add, then after clicking on add, you can see that new credentials add messages are here. Then what we have to do, give a temperature. Okay, so we have given 0.7. Then after giving temperature, you can see the message human text is so here you can see that you can give the input. Okay, so give input. Then if you click on format prompt variable, so you can find about the input language is English and output language, what we give, we have translate in Germany. Okay, we have translate in Germany, so give German. And after giving output language, click on this sign, which is right tick sign, and here you can see that input language is English, output language is Germany, and text is question. Okay, so after doing this, what we have to do, here you can see we have give credentials, we have give GPT model, we have give system message, we have give human message, then we have also doing format prompt values, then here you can see the output and LLM chain. Now what we have to do, click on save button. Okay, so without saving, your chat flow is not working properly. Now what we have to do, click on this message button, and here you can see that close button and erase button also, and expand button. Okay, so give any message, uh, hi, how are you, and it will give you a translation in Germany language. Okay, hi. So I don't know about the Germany language, so here you can see that the output, like, it is working properly. We have do some more examples. So here you can give the output is Hindi. Okay, so Hindi, and save it again. So after saving, now what we have to do, save from here also, and again go on your message. So erase it. Okay, clear. And again give message, hello. Okay, what is the hello, how are you? So let's see what is translation in Hindi. Hello, आप कैसे हैं? So basically this is how it working, and this is like how it is working. Here you can find about the chat OpenAI model, then you can find about the Lang Hub, LangChain Hub, then system message, and after this you can see the LLM chain also, prompt language model and other stuff. Okay, so if you want to see your chat flows, here you can find about the translator one. Our chat flow is also saved now. Okay, and this is my like this is your chat flows and other things. You can explore these things also. So that's all about the building your AI first application. We'll also explore other stuff in marketplace, like some really cool stuff like Slack messages, Discord messages stuff. Okay, so that's all about this lecture, and I hope you guys like it. Here you can see that lot of things like create edible report, get current data time. If you see that current data time, if we click on use template, okay, so okay, let's try what we have seen. Okay, new tool added. Okay, if you go on chat flow, so I think new tool is added, I think now. Let's see in next lecture what is this, and that's all about this lecture. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, and also wait for more valuable content, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, show some love and support. Also share this video with your friends and needy persons. Okay, so that's all about this lecture. Bye bye.